bit of a budget chat, a little bit of a weekend reset. A few minutes to chill because I actually got him there at 7:40.
Just pulled up to the house.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogtober day 3. Cole and I are about to head out. It is 7 o'clock. I really do try to leave by like 6:45 so that I don't have to worry about traffic. And if I need to get to work early, then I can get there because I can drop Cole off early. But here lately, we've been leaving like 7. And so I get him there right when the gate opens for like the 7:55 time. Just means I get to work a little later. Cole says hi, and then he hides. I'm waiting for my coffee. So we got all of our stuff in the car. Cole has his water bottle for school, some juice. Do you have a snack?
No.
Get a snack. He already sat and ate cereal, but he likes to eat a snack. It's a long drive. It's like a 40 to 50 minute drive, depending on how much traffic there is. So he always takes a snack. Coffee is going. And then I think today, while I'm at work, I'm going to make a grocery list. No, you don't need all of those. One, I'm going to make a grocery list because I've been trying to get groceries on Fridays and start my reset for the weekend on Friday nights so that Saturday and Sunday doesn't feel so heavy. But also Saturday we have a funeral. It's not for us, but it's a church member, well, a group of church members who lost someone. And so we're going to attend the funeral / help serve. So like I think my mom's going to go and attend the funeral part. I'm going to go help set up and serve. So yeah, we have a busy day on Saturday. There's also like some activities going on. There's like a party in the park for this park's 5-year celebration of being open. And they're gonna have food, games, all of that. So I told Cole and his little friend that I would take them. But my mom also is trying to go out of town to go see my grandparents, and she wanted to take him because he loves going to see my grandpa. So I don't know what we're doing this weekend. I don't know what the weekend holds, but I do know we need to get to work and school. So we will catch y'all later. All right, so I just got to work. I have a few minutes to chill because I actually got him there at 7:40. The cutoff time is 7:45 to drop him off early if you are an employee and you pay. So I got him there and I was like, bet I can get to work on time, plus have some time for myself. So I have a few minutes before I have to go in, which feels really good. I love the mornings where I'm not like rushing, doing one thing to the next. It just makes my day go a little smoother. So as you saw this morning, I did get up to exercise, and I'm telling y'all, every time I try to slither out of that bed, here comes my child. I don't care what time is it. It could be 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 5 in the morning. He's going to find me. And he laid down for a good little minute, and then towards the end of my walk, he started jumping up and down and jumping off of stuff. And then he wanted cereal. So I ended my walk early, so I only did 20 minutes instead of 30, which is okay. And then on the way to work, I remembered that there is a choir workshop with a guest clinician, and I was supposed to go to it. I knew I couldn't go yesterday, but there's another rehearsal today, and then the concert is tomorrow. So I might do that tonight instead of what I was planning on doing. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here for a minute, drink some coffee, gather my thoughts, and head into work. But I do want to say I listened to a good message. I'm gonna link it somewhere because you can link the messages, y'all. It was so good, and it was just talking about like weekend faith, and it hit, y'all. It was so on point with my thoughts and where I've been at in this part of life right now, and why I've been struggling so much with faith. Yeah, we'll recap about that a little later, but y'all, it was so good. And I haven't finished it, so I do need to finish listening to it. But the one part, it was like, you have, what did he call it? It's not stagnant, but basically that's what it meant, is like you have big faith for other people and other things, but you're like, I know God can do it, just probably not for me. I've been saying that forever, but the way he put it into words. But the next step is, how do we get out of that? That's where we're at. That's where the focus is going to be. So yeah, let me get in here, get my life together. All right, so here are our groceries. This is like our first of the month grocery shopping. So of course it's always our biggest. Plus I bought for my mom. So this creamer is my mom's. These two salad kits are my mom's. Of course, I buy bulk in these pizzas for Cole, but these last us for a while. I bought bulk in the chips this time because Cole has been wasting his chips. And so I thought these minis would be a good idea. And there's 130 mini bags. And so I'm going to give a bunch of these to my mom because I normally buy chips and send them over to her house for him. Of course, my coffee, I do not buy these all the time, so there's 100 in here, so I don't have to buy it that often. So this is the one time where I do have to buy it. His little mini Rice Krispie treats, I'll be sending some of those to my mom as well. We got some grapes. I got me this salad kit this time. I wanted to try something different as far as my salads. Of course, Cole's meatballs. I got us some jambalaya. I had a different brand the other week and I liked it, but they only had a big family box and it was so much in there, so that was too much. These little sliders, we had some last week and we made little burgers, and then I also put little deli sandwiches in Cole's lunchbox. He didn't eat it, but I liked it as a little snack, so I got some more. Of course, some meat, some rotisserie chicken, eggs, bananas. So half of the bananas are for me, half of the bananas are for my mom. Some more crackers, milk for Cole, of course pouches, a few of these things for juice, chicken broth, pudding. We're gonna split, so I'm gonna give half of these to my mom, half of these to me. The corn is for her, butter is for her, and the 2 ground beefs I'm gonna put in the freezer because we're actually going out of town next weekend. So that's also why I bought so much. But this isn't even everything because I still have stuff in the fridge that we can use. So we're still good to go. And then this time our bill was a little higher because I bought us some more pods for the washing machine. My mom takes 2 bags. I take 2 bags. And then I needed some new containers. I'm going to clean out the cabinet because tops have gone missing. And it's just a mess under here. And I don't like to take my glassware out of the house. So yeah. I'm going to get rid of the stuff that's old and then use those new ones, and they were a good deal. So I am late for church, but I wanted to make sure that I took care of me and my household first. I'm going to go put my hair up because I'm hot. I put this on, it's not working. The hair has to go up, so I'm gonna get one of those little scrunchies and put it up. Put the stuff that needs to go into the fridge up. My mom's gonna come get her groceries when she drops off Cole. So I'm not even gonna put the rest up because I need to bag it and give it to her once I empty it. So all the stuff that needs to be cold, I'm gonna put up. Switch this out. I refilled my water. Ooh, I am on my 3rd one. And then I'm heading out to church. So yeah, let me get moving. Hold on. Okay, now I feel a little bit better. Y'all, my body has been so hot. I'm gonna have to take my little fan with me to church because I need the heat. I definitely didn't realize how late it was. It took me so long to get in and out of the grocery stores. It's like everybody wanted to go at the same time, had the same idea. Normally it wouldn't matter, but I was trying to at least get there by 7:15. It's not gonna happen. And it's okay if I can't sing. I just wanted to go show my support for the person putting on the concert. So if all else fails, I'll just go to the concert tomorrow. But yeah, I was trying. But one thing I noticed is that I will always go above and beyond, make sure I'm on time to stuff, and like neglect the things that I need to do. Then I'm later frustrated because I didn't get the things done that I need to do. I didn't have enough time, and people don't reciprocate. Not that I expect people to reciprocate, but you know how you like just constantly go and do things for people, and then you're like, dang, I still got to take care of me, and there's no one to take care of you. Yeah, so that's why I said October is me month. Like, I'm worried about the things I need to do, the things I need to get done, my home, my child. Like, everything else is coming second, because if I don't get the things done for my home and my child, nobody's gonna get it done. So there's that. But let's talk budget. That's what I wanted to really talk to y'all about. And I'm really sorry if this is shaky. I will try to fix it when I edit, because I got in my juke. So when I get my groceries, I go ahead and fill up my car at the same time. So I went to Sam's, I got groceries there. I just realized I left my glasses. This is about how my day is going. I went to Sam's, got gas, got groceries, then went to HEB and go home. And that's my normal routine. I don't go to Sam's every week unless something on my mom's list she wants from Sam's. I go to Sam's once a month. Like, that is my routine, because the things I need, I don't need but once a month from there. So how my groceries work, or my budget works, is I budget $75 a week for groceries. And that sounds like a little bit crazy when you think about it, but it's just me and Cole. And I need to up that because we don't eat out as much. So I am having to, have more groceries at home. Plus, I need to up that because I end up buying my mom whatever she needs to that week. So I probably should do like $100 a month. So that would come out to like $400 a month, which still isn't bad. But that is because when I go shopping, I make my grocery list based off of what's already in the house and the meals I have planned for the week. And here lately, I haven't been making a meal plan for the week because every week's been the same thing. It's just been easier that way. Like, I don't have to think about it. Cole and I don't get tired of the same things. Every now and then, I'll want to try something different. And so I do, like that salad kit. Instead of just getting regular lettuce and, mixing up and making my salad, I got the salad kit because I was like, I want to try it. So every now and then I switch it up, but for the most part, it's the same thing because he asks for the same things too. He's like, I want spaghetti. And I'm like, well, dang, I didn't get spaghetti this week. So I just make sure I just buy the same meals. And if we get tired of it, then we switch it up. And I've been really into chicken, rice, and bell peppers for some reason. So our menu has pretty much stayed the same. And so I know what I run out of each week. So it's been kind of easy. And then, of course, I got gas. So gas, I spent $44, and I only fill up my Jeep once a week. Yeah, that gas lasts me all week going back and forth, an hour to work, an hour home, which is surprising. If I have to fill up my Juke, it's like $25 at the most, but I've been on one tank of gas for 2.5, 3 weeks. So because I don't drive it as much, I'm driving it right now because I try to drive it when I don't have Cole, just to move it around a little bit. But yeah, so that is my budget for my groceries. Today I spent 200 something. I'll put it on the screen. And the funny thing about it is the couple in front of me and their son, we're putting all their groceries up there, and their bill came out to over $350. And I was like, I cannot imagine spending that kind of money on groceries each week. Not because it's a lot, but because, dang, what kind of income do y'all have? I am a single income home, and so to even imagine spending, I'm like, which is why I budget my money, because I'm a single income home, And if I were to, heaven forbid, lose my job, I need to make sure I'm budgeting and putting money back to have for a rainy day. And so that's why I budget. So then I got stuff like the containers and the pods for the washing machine. That, even though I totaled it with my groceries, I actually do set separate money aside for like buying household items, because I don't typically buy it when I'm buying groceries, and then if I do, I just shift the money over. So yeah, those came out to, I think the pods were like $30. The containers were $8.97. Again, those salad kits were for my mom. So if it was just me and Cole, we would easily stay under $100 each month, and it's easier if you don't buy junk. And I've tried to like make our own Rice Krispies and stuff like that. Cole doesn't like it. I wasted my time, effort, and fun, so I just buy stuff that is convenient. But if I didn't, I could save money, like buying the frozen veggies instead of buying fresh produce. I could save money, but then I'd waste it because it'd go bad. So yeah, that is just a little budget talk. And random side note, one of my goals almost every month has been to have a no spend week, just to kind of save more money here and there. And actually, this was a no spend week. I did not eat out this week. The food that was takeout, my mom bought, and then she just didn't want it. But yeah, we took extra snacks and dinners and lunches and breakfasts and different things like that. And I don't count groceries and like necessities like that spending. I mean like eating out and just going and buying clothes and things like that. And even the weighted vest, I didn't buy that this week. It's just when I decided to finally open it up. So yeah, definitely had a good no spend week. There's like a glare in the camera, and I'm thinking something is on me. But yeah, a little bit of a budget chat, a little bit of a weekend reset. I am going to start resetting tonight, but y'all won't see it. I will probably include that in tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, that's all for now. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog.
That's all. Your cry holy is the same each time. Cry holy! Every time we get to that cry holy, same thing, okay?